25%, 10 on every car that I own. Put the strike in track mode while I listen to Bone. Black on black 45, need another in chrome. If I don't hit you, then my bitch will want you walking my home. First flight to Jamaica, next one to Bahamas. I'm gonna win no matter what, God made me a promise. Just bought so much dogelon that I just added 2 commas. I tell my son believe in himself and respect his mama. Make sure you get to your money, invest in yourself, and go follow your dreams. Daddy ain't who.
Good morning, crypto family. I hope you guys are having a great and wonderful morning. Again, I have been busy this weekend. For the past week, about to do a TV show. I got a lot of stuff coming. Of course, you guys seen yesterday, but hey, we are in RWAs. We're gonna get this real utility, and especially because we hold dogelon-mars, and a lot of people feel like, oh, the prices are stagnant. Well, shit, Bitcoin went down to $93,000. Ethereum retraced. A lot of these digital assets in the crypto space has retraced. And a lot of people are panicking, but I am not panicking. Other people are having second thoughts of what's going on. Listen, the innovation of digital assets is here. Stop being scared. This is how it feels when you are an early pioneer. Again, as you guys see, shout out to Digital Asset Investor. He says, lock in. We are at very subdued levels, much like we had in 2013, before the largest bull run of all effing time. Wake the F up. Wake the F up. You see the family out here promoting. You see the family who are definitely bullish on dogelon-mars. We got to stand bold. We got to stand fierce, because we're going to have a lot of darts thrown at us. A lot of people are throwing these arrows because they feel like, hey, I'm tired of investing into projects that's BS. Family, we already know this project is not BS. You see, I'm not looking at what the value. I'm looking at what the devs are putting into dogelon-mars. They're making it bigger than just a meme coin, because we are not a meme coin. A mission token has a lot more utilities than just one. All right, as you guys see, memes at war. Good morning. New week, new opportunities. If you have a new opportunity knocking at your freaking door, don't leave them knocking on your door and go back to sleep. Wake your ass up, open the door, and take the opportunity. As you see, dogelon-mars is right there. We're on memes at war. And I'm definitely going to be playing that on live. I'm not going to give you guys a date. Another thing, y'all give y'all prayers and energy and strength to Meme Lord. Okay, because tomorrow he has his chemo. Let's get him back up and rolling. Yes, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. It's been hard to do these lives because I've been so busy at the moment. But hopefully when he gets better next week, Sunday evening, we'll do that live. Shout out to Ash Bandicoot. She says signal is sacred. Noise is decay. Boost only what furthers the cause. Good morning. And you guys seen that Rufus is live. Rufus is live. Shout out to Warren Buffett again. A lot of people need to marinate this in their lives of whatever they invest in. And this is what he says. Nobody buys a farm based on whether they think it's going to rain next year. They buy because they think it's a good investment over 10 or 20 years. It's the same with stocks. Think of stocks as a part ownership of a business. It's not that complicated. So with you guys purchasing, not just guys, these ladies as well are purchasing dogelon-mars. We are part ownership of this token. We're not just investors. We are part ownership of this token. So put that in your mind when you're investing into these digital assets. And as you see, just then, Coinbase unveils new Bitcoin commercial. I'm not going to play it because I don't want my video to be taken down. But at the end of the day, they're making all these commercials of Bitcoin. because they know crypto adoption is really going to shake the world. It's going to shake the world, family. And we are here to witness, we are here to live that moment. Because we're all here for financial freedom. I hear people talk about it, but they don't really stand behind those words and understanding that you are really going to have financial freedom because you are investing into a new asset class of wealth. Shout out to Robert Kiyosaki, and a lot of people, like, he been right a lot of these times. And I'm just going to read a little bit. Repeating myself again, for my book, Rich Dad's Prophecy, my prediction of the biggest stock market crash in history is now happening now. I hope I am wrong, but as I forecasted, the biggest market crashes in stocks, bonds, and real estate are about to happen in the very, very near future. This is why I have been investing in gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Come on, family. I know a lot of people are stock investors. I feel you. Right now, we dealt with the biggest dump in the crypto space, and we took that opportunity and bought up. So with the whole stock market, when we go through that deep dump, a lot of us, I'm not going to lie, hey, we diversify our portfolio. We want to take advantages. We can't say, oh, in 2008, I wish I would have bought this share or that share. No, we are waiting until this dump. And once this stock dump, hey, we're going to accumulate a lot of these shares. We're going to accumulate and we're going to hold because we know the game. But also, we want to hold shares that has dividends. You understand? Shout out to Hilera. He says Binance and dogelon-mars want to see Elon listed on Binance. And as you see, Binance, Elon. Let them see the momentum. I know that we're going to get listed soon. I know a lot of us want to be listed on Binance, but it's not about that. We will move without these exchanges. That's what you guys are not understanding. The devs are not implementing for us to have this major run right now. Trust me, they're able to flip the switch. XRP is able to flip the switch. People in Ethereum can flip the switch. But it's a reason why they are not flipping the switch, because they're not moving off of your emotions. Because when you move off your emotions, you're always going to wreck. They can't go by our emotions. They're going by what's right and what they think is the right play. So salute to the devs. Salute to all the major pioneers in this crypto space because they understand the rhythm. They understand it. Shout out to Crypto Dominance for sending this over. Man, shout out to you, bro. As you guys see, meme coin cult, dogelon-mars, eye-opening opportunity. And I posted that 2 months ago. Shout out to Crypto Dominance. Shout out for everybody who has been reposting this. Now, shout out to Lil Hot. He sent this to me. Now, I'm going to show you guys this. They're saying dogelon-mars price prediction for 2050. This is just what it is shown, all right? But this can shoot up a lot more higher in 2030, 2031, 2032. If you plan on holding dogelon-mars, okay, they're saying that we could reach to 13 cents to 21 cents. But they're saying the all-time high, the highest price anticipated is 27 cents per coin. So you guys just do the math. If you guys choose to sell the bag at that early, do what you please. But if not, hey, hold. Now, let's go to the prices. So that's hot right there. Bitcoin is at 94,000. Before I started this video, we were sitting at 93,000. Ethereum sitting at 1,800. And let's go ahead and check our favorite dog, dogelon-mars. We're sitting at 1,263. Family. Market cap is at $69 million. We're still bullish on a community sentiment. Yes, we went down in our global, our whole market cap. We're sitting at $2.93 trillion. That's okay. That's okay. That ain't gonna shake me, and that's not gonna scare anybody in this space. So understand this. I greatly appreciate you guys, but you have to believe in this saying: investing is not supposed to be stressing. So what the F are you stressing for?